Hey, what's up guys, it's Mark here of Driver67. So today I'm going to show you the issue with the Mazda CX-5 tailgate not opening. So this is a 2018 Mazda CX-5, close to 100,000 kilometers, so I did drive quite a bit. Of course used the tailgate quite a bit, and this is the issue I'm having. I'm trying to open the tailgate. So this power lift gate, once it opens up like, I don't know, maybe a foot, and then it just stops. Have the 3 beeps and does not open all the way, and then basically you have to use your manual strength to open it. Opening it is not as difficult, but closing it, it's very painful. It requires a lot more effort as well to close it. It's just, I'm putting some effort, so it takes some time. You just have to fight against the motor. And also when you open it and once it stops, and if you try to close it, what happens is, actually let's use this button here. So you just like close a little bit, beeps again, and then it refuses to close, and then you have to manually put in some effort to close it down. So I brought this to the Mazda dealership and they say it's the power liftgate mounts, or struts I should say. So the motorized struts, one of them probably is gone, but they say replace both of these struts here. So that's this guy here and the strut right there. So yeah, one of them should be gone and I have to replace both of them. And these guys are very expensive. It's like over 700 Canadian dollars. And yeah, costs quite a bit. 1 hour labor on each side to replace it. And I'm gonna try to do it myself, so stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll show you a guide on how to replace this power liftgate struts there. Thanks for watching, guys.